So you might be in a situation where for some reason you're in Excel and for some reason your Excel file is just not opening up. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, the very first thing I'd recommend kind of doing here is to go through and just double check that file type that you're opening up. Sometimes if you're opening up a file, you might just want to go through that one, you have Excel installed on your computer, and two, that particular file doesn't have any glitches or anything like that. You can also try going through, if that's not working, if you can verify that Excel is installed and there's not an issue with that. You can also try going through and basically restarting your computer. So try going through and try finding the restart button on your computer and try reinstalling it that way. That's kind of one thing I'd recommend doing here too. If that doesn't seem to be working, you might also want to try going into Excel. So try opening up the Excel file first. So open up Excel like that, workbook, like open up Excel application. Once you open up the Excel app, you should have an empty spot like this. What you want to do is you want to click on the file button at the very top. And what you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up that file this way. So instead of double clicking it and opening up the file that way, click on the open file here, try to find that file, and that might end up fixing the problem for you as well. Now, if it is like a little bit of a corrupt file, you might want to see if there's any backups that you have within Excel or that you can download online to go and recover from. Sometimes if you downloaded a file online, that file may end up getting corrupted. So you might want to go through and just try seeing if you can basically download that file again, because sometimes that might end up fixing the problem for you as well. If that's still not working, try restarting Excel, try re-downloading that file, and hopefully that'll end up fixing it for you. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.